Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share notes on the Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Samsung Notes application on my phone. I'm going to go to my Samsung folder, and then this is my Samsung Notes app, and I'm going to show you how we can share notes from this app. Alright, and these are my notes, and I'm going to share it to let's say my new phone. I'm going to transfer my notes here to my new phone. Okay, if we want to transfer or share notes from the Samsung Notes, we need to select the notes we want to transfer. You can tap and hold on the note you want to transfer, and you can select all if you want to select all notes you have. Okay, and for your information, we can only share the unlocked notes, so make sure you have unlocked all of your notes before you share it. Okay, and here I'm just going to choose unlocked notes. For example, this one, and this one. And once you're done selecting the notes you want to share, you can click on share. Okay, and here we'll have some options guys. We can share it as Samsung Notes file, PDF file, Microsoft Word file, Microsoft PowerPoint file, image file, and also text file. And I recommend you to choose the Samsung Notes file, so you will be able to open the notes on your new phone with Samsung Notes app. Okay, and you can choose the method you want to use to share the notes. And we have WhatsApp, Drive, Discord, or Telegram, or Bluetooth. It's up to you, and I suggest you to choose the quick share because it's easier and faster. And you need to turn on Bluetooth and your Wi-Fi as well if you want to use this quick share. And you have to activate quick share on the phone. On the phone you want to receive those notes, and the device, the receiver device will appear right here after you activate it. Okay, and you just need to wait until the scanning process completed, and after the device appear, you just need to tap on the device and the sharing process will be started. Okay guys, and that's all the way to share notes on the Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye.